Welcome back to another Parts Factory Australia installation tutorial video. Today I'm back on the Gold Coast. I'm working on this Hyundai Ascent. Specifically, we're going to be working on the exterior door handle. Super common problem with this model Ascent is, of course, either the cap falls off, the one obviously little tiny cap, or the actual door handle itself snaps, and of course that means you can't get into your car. So yeah, obviously you can understand why that might be annoying. So yeah, we're going to swap it out. We are going to have to take the door card off. It's a bit more complicated than most of the door handles. Usually you can just undo one bolt and it all falls apart, but yeah, this one you got to get in there, pull it all apart. I'm expecting it to take about 20 minutes. Alrighty guys, if you do need this part, we do have them available at Parts Factory. Click on the title, the description will pop down. Link, order it. They come in black only. You are supposed to paint them then. Go to somewhere like Super Cheap, etc. Have them color match a spray can. Spray it up before you put it on the car. Install it with this video. We're going to save yourself some money, guys. Rather than going to a mechanic, they would charge you $200–300 plus supply, paint, and fit. You're going to get this done for under $100, guys. So that's what we're all about here at Parts Factory. Alrighty, guys, let's jump into it. Alrighty, guys. So in order to get this door trim off, you've got to pull this internal handle clip, or internal handle cover rather. So you can pop down that little tab there, and then you have another one, the same design. In here, you can use your little knife. You literally just stab it and twist, and it'll pop up like that. Sometimes it's harder than others. You just pop it up into the air. That way you can obviously get to those Phillips head screws. You can run your hand around the outside. There is no other Phillips head screws, so grab a Phillips head screwdriver. We're going to undo those two, and we're going to pop this door cut off. Yep. Right, so we're going to start with this one here. If it's never come off before, it might be a little tight. So just apply a bit of force, and it will pop off. Grab the little screws out and just stick them on the floor. That way you don't lose anything. Now, guys, this is a silver trim. You want to be very careful. Oh yeah, this one's very tight. I'm just going to put a bit of force on that. Holy
Jesus. Wow. It broke the bit.
Holy moly. Wow. I've never had that before.
That's crazy.
Right, so a lot of force to get that one out. It tells me that this car's never been opened before. So that means that all these pressure clips are also going to be very hard to pop. Oh. Yep. Very difficult. It's because it's such a late model car, guys. But that's okay. We're just going to be nice and gentle as we go around. We're going to pull this handle out, and you can pull this cap out like that. And then I think you got one more up here. Yep, and it'll just pop up in the air like so. Now don't forget, on the back of this door card, you are going to have a single switch just chilling. You can press down on that, pop it out like so. Now bring this door card over here, nice and gently put it down. We don't want to scratch it at all. Now, if you pull down on this plastic insulation, we are going to expose our door handle in there. You can just flip it over and stick it. You'd see it up in there. I'll just have a quick look so I can wrap my head around everything. But yeah, it's looking fairly straightforward from this point moving forward. So if the cameraman looks straight through this hole with the flashlight, he'll see a 10mm. If you undo that 10mm, try and capture it with your right hand while you undo it with your left hand. And you cruise around to this side, and this cap's going to pop out. So I'm going to grab my 10mm. I'm going to demonstrate what I mean by that. Right, so I'm going to put this little 10mm through the hole, and then yeah, lefty loosey as you can imagine. And then as you undo it, I'm hoping, maybe what I'll do is just put my hand through first, capture that 10mm. Is it moving over that side?
Yeah.
Sweet. Now try and grab that 10mm before you move any further, so it doesn't fall into the door. Here it comes. Okay, so I've caught it in my hand. Again, on the floor so you don't lose it. And you can put your hand back through the back. And then yeah, as you pull out on that door handle, the cap's going to come out like so. And then the door handle is going to come out just like that. Now I can imagine we're here because you're replacing this. Yours is going to be snapped here, like so. And of course that means your handle was already off, but you're still going to get that cap off to reinstall the new one. So I will just come over to the bench here. We have them available here at Parts Factory, as I did mention. We're going to send it to you. This is what it's going to look like. As you can see, guys, they are an exact replica. They come with this protective coating as well. So when you are installing, if you've got a black car, no scratches, etc., etc. But as you can see, guys, it's a smack bang, exact replica, in and out in very quick succession, just like that. I'm just looking at this. Yeah, it's definitely the same. Yeah, beautiful. Alrighty, guys. So obviously I'm not going to put this black one in. Why would I do that? There's nothing wrong with our door handles. So it is just a classic case of, you know, reverse right now, guys. We're going to do the exact same procedure, but in reverse. Put it all back together. We'll see how quickly we can do it. Let's go. Door handle in.
Front first, obviously.
Yep, front first and slide forward. Cap in. Now you can just lift up that handle and bring it all in together, like so, and it'll actually hold it there. And then you just grab your 10mm, stick it on your thing, set to tighten, feed it through like a classic game of Operation, guys. Nice and gentle. And then just do hand tight to start, just so it gets a nice bite on the thread on the inside of that door handle. I can feel it tightening now, which is nice. Not too tight. It doesn't need to be too tight. Test to see if it's working. Obviously it's going to. And then yeah, good news is, guys, this has been an absolutely fantastic job. That is one of the easiest outer door handles I've ever done. Even the ones that are done here can sometimes actually be more difficult than that. But other than that, guys, as you can imagine, door cover back on, nice and straightforward. Here it is here. So you plug your switch back in, bang, pull your door handle out while you bring it in, and then yeah, it just tucks over the ridge. You can see that's that 90-degree angle there. It tucks in over there, it kind of seals it up, and then yeah, see these blue plastic trims? These got to come out. They've been left in this door. So what you do is just use a little plastic pry tool, or of course like a flat blade screwdriver, pop them out, put them back in here, these little holes. It's going to look like that, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. And then yeah, plug it back in, put it back on, 2 screws back in, and that'll be job complete. We're going to be doing this interior door handle right now. So as you can imagine, I'm not going to go ahead and do all that, but yeah, get that job done, and that's the whole job complete, guys. Nice and easy. Alrighty, guys, thanks for watching another Parts Factory Australia installation tutorial video. If you have appreciated it, give it a thumbs up, and if you can, sub to the channel. It's a great channel to have in your toolkit if you are doing your own DIY repairs on cars like this one. Definitely worth having it in your bank of subscribed channels. Alrighty, guys, my name's Lucas. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.